Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Destiny 2. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your Destiny 2 application from your app drawer. If you've not downloaded the app yet, make sure you do and open the app. Once you do that, you will end up in this sign-in page for Destiny 2. Tap on sign in with Bungie.net button at the top and tap the continue button to end up to Bungie.net. Once you end up in this page, select a platform you would like to play Destiny on. You can choose from multiple platforms such as PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, Twitch, and Epic Games. You can select any one platform and log into the particular account in order to play Destiny 2. In today's video, I'm gonna select the Epic Games option. Once you select one of these options, it'll take you to its respective website where you'll need to sign in to the account by entering your credentials. Enter your email and tap on continue. Also enter your password on the next page associated with your respective account and tap on the login button to access your account. Now, allow Destiny 2 to gain access to share your display name, language preference, and other information from your account by tapping on Allow. You will then end up in this page where you'll need to create a Bungie.net account if you don't have one yet. If you already have an account, you can tap on the link existing profile and follow through the prompts. If you don't have a Bungie.net account yet, tap on Create New Profile. Select your country and then your date of birth information. After you are done, tap Continue and on the next page, enter a valid email address. After entering the email, tap on the box at the bottom to allow to accept the terms and service of Bungie. Make sure to allow all of the necessary access at the bottom and click on Create Profile. Tap on the Approve button once you see your name at the top and you will be able to sign up for Destiny 2. Now, the next step is to verify your email. Go ahead and open your email inbox associated with Destiny 2 and verify your account. Verify your email by tapping it open. Tap on this verify email address and select a web browser to proceed. Once you see this verified email text appearing on the screen, get back to your application. Soon after you are done, you will be able to sign up for Destiny 2. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.